Hi friends, welcome to Little Spicy. Today I am going to share South Indian vadas. Here is my tips and tricks for this perfect vadas. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Here I am taking 2 cups of urad dal. Wash it properly for at least 2 or 3 times. Add more water and soak it for at least 4 to 5 hours. After 5 hours, urad dal expands double in size. Here I am taking mint leaves, curry leaves, green chilies, coriander and some ginger. Add soaked urad dal into a mixing jar. Add salt according to your taste. Here I am adding all ingredients into a mixing jar. It gives nice flavor for every bite. Reduce the chilies according to your taste, or you can add peppercorns in the batter. Don't add any water at the beginning. After grinding the batter, see if needed, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Add batter into mixing jar. Repeat the same process for the rest of the urad dal. Add small pinch of baking soda. It's totally optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. Baking soda gives nice crunchy taste on outside. Do circles like this for at least 2 minutes. In mixing jar, the air bubbles are not well expanded. That's why we are doing these circles. This step is must and should. If you skip this step, the vadas will become hard. Once done these circles, add chopped coriander and some curry leaves and chopped onions and mint leaves. Mix these all ingredients properly. Take a pan and add oil. Here I am using peanut oil. You can use any vegetable oil. Put the heat to medium heat. Take a plate and put some plastic wrap on top of the plate, or you can use Ziploc bag. Add some water before adding the batter so it won't stick on the bottom. Remove the vada carefully like this. Add this vada into hot oil. Careful when it drops. Repeat the same process. Fry these vadas on medium heat. Turn both sides until it cooks properly. It takes hardly 5 to 6 minutes. Remove the vadas carefully. Put these vadas into tissue paper so that will absorb the excess oil. Here I am showing second method. If you are scary of dropping vadas into hot oil, this tip will help. Take a slotted spoon and repeat the same process like I am showing here. Place it on top of the oil so that will drop easily. Repeat the same thing. With these tips, you can make perfect vadas every time. This is third method. For this step, you don't need anything. Using hand, do like this. Here I am showing in this video. Carefully drop the vadas into oil. Serve these vadas with your favorite chutney, or you can make dahi vadas. Soak these vadas into yogurt for 1 hour and add some tadka. That's it. Dahi vadas are ready. That's it. This is the simple way of making vadas. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, please share to your family members.